Follow these steps to find out whether you can change Reddit username or not. First, launch your Reddit app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Now, click on the option profile. Once you're over here, you're gonna find a username over here. Now click on the option of edit. From here, you are able to customize the settings, display name, cover photo, profile picture, likewise description, add social links, but you are not able to change the username. As if right now you are unable to change Reddit username, the username that you have set while creating your Reddit account, it's gonna always appear the same. But you are able to change your display name. If you want to do so, you can click over here, remove it, type in new display name, click on save, and your display name will be changed. If in the future Reddit makes it possible to change username, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. But at the moment, you are unable to do that. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.